Is the i-Blason Armorbox going to be worth it for the new Galaxy Z Fold 7? Let's find out. So first off, when it comes to the protection, you do have a full-on piece that covers those camera lenses here. You can see that it does hang over so that if you do drop your phone camera lens side down, it's going to hit that piece instead of the camera lenses, keeping them nice and protected. Also on the backside is a built-in kickstand which just flips up and locks into place, and that's going to be great for your vertical viewing or your horizontal viewing, whether your phone is folded in or folded outwards. On the front screen side, you also do get a built-in tempered glass screen protector. That's going to offer full protection for that whole entire area, whether it's folded in or folded outwards. There's also a piece that covers the whole entire spine of the phone, so that's not only going to protect it, but it does act as an automatic hinge. So if you do unfold or fold your phone in, it does move with it. And let's say you want to keep your phone folded out, it is going to lock into place. The case is going to be great for absorbing shock as well if you do drop it. You do have these bumpers at the top here and the bottom. So let's say you drop your phone on the sides of the case or the ends, all the shock will go to those. Overall though, if you are looking for maximum protection for your Galaxy Z Fold 7, I definitely recommend the Armorbox. It's multi-layered, super durable, and not only does it have those protective features, but it's also a really convenient case too.